The sun had barely risen over the small village when 16-year-old Ethan was already working in the fields beside his father. Their clothes were old, their house was tiny, and every day was filled with hard labor. While other boys spent their time playing, Ethan carried heavy baskets, planted crops, and took care of the animals. Many people in the village laughed at him. "You're just a farmer's son," they said. "You'll spend your whole life in these fields." Those words hurt, but Ethan never complained. Instead of making excuses, he worked even harder. Every evening, after finishing hours of farm work, Ethan would wash up, light a small oil lamp, and read books borrowed from the village library. He dreamed of building a better future, not only for himself but also for his family. Life wasn't easy. Sometimes there wasn't enough food. Sometimes the crops failed because of heavy rain or long droughts. Money was always short. His friends often asked, "Why work so hard? Your life will never change." Ethan smiled and replied, "Excuses don't change lives. Hard work does." Years passed. One day, a farming competition was announced in the nearby city. The challenge was to create new ideas that could help farmers grow more crops with fewer resources. Most people thought Ethan had no chance. But he entered anyway. Using everything he had learned from books and years of experience in the fields, Ethan presented a simple but powerful farming method that increased crop production while saving water. The judges were amazed. Out of hundreds of participants, Ethan won first place. The prize money allowed him to buy better equipment for his family's farm. Soon, their harvest became larger than ever before. Other farmers began using his methods, and Ethan started teaching modern farming techniques across nearby villages. Within a few years, the poor farmer's son had become one of the most respected agricultural entrepreneurs in the region. The same people who once laughed at him now came asking for his advice. One afternoon, a young boy asked him, "What's the secret to your success?" Ethan smiled and looked across the green fields. "I wasn't born with money or special opportunities," he said. "I was born with two hands, a dream, and the courage to keep working when everyone else made excuses." The boy nodded, inspired by his words. As the sun set over the fields, Ethan realized that success had never been about luck. It had always been about discipline, patience, and refusing to give up.